I don't know about anyone else, but I like to watch unboxings, so I figured maybe it would be fun to do one. So here we go. I got an order in yesterday from Blick. I ordered a bunch of Liquitex Basics, and I thought, let's try and open it on camera and see how it goes. They also sent me their use a knife. They also sent me their catalog. I love getting this and looking through it. They have, oh yeah, they have all kinds of fun stuff. These mugs are really cute. Yeah, it's really dangerous to look through this. Yeah, those are nice. Yeah, and they're on sale. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put that away. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Like I said, I bought a bunch of Liquitex Basics. I was actually looking to buy golden fluid acrylics, which are a soft body acrylic, but they're pretty expensive. Right now, these are on sale at Blick. The basics are for 17 to 45% off. Some tubes were only about $6.50 that I spent. So, and compared to the soft body of the golden fluid, these are 4-ounce tubes, and comparing the golden, and I know it's not a real comparison because golden, professional golden paint is amazing. It has a lot more pigment than these do, but the 4-ounce of the golden fluid or soft body that I was looking to get, they're about $23.30 a piece, and that's on sale. A regular list price is around $33.29. So, and I really like these paints. I started painting with these about 7 years ago when I first set out to paint, and I really love them. So, and then I went to some golden heavy bodies, but I'm gonna go back to these for a little while and see how I do. So, and I already popped the sides and then realized my microphone wasn't working. So I'm just gonna do what's left and cut up the top. So here we go. This knife isn't very sharp, so I'm not worried about it cutting anything. And you get the usual bubble wrap and the box within a box. And I told someone in my Facebook group that I would share how to use the Liquitex flexible molding paste and crackle paste. Let me grab my book. I have a journal book that I put the molding paste and the crackle paste on. I don't know how well you can see them, but yeah, I'll probably demonstrate that in the group. So that'll be fun. Okay. And oh no, more danger. Okay, put that aside. Let me grab this small box. And I've got I went ahead and bought some funky colors that I wouldn't normally get because I have my usual palette, like ultramarine and the basics, the basics that you get. So these are some of them are different, not all of them. So this one is bright aqua green. Payne's gray. Deep violet. I love this color. Primary yellow, which is comparable to Hansa yellow. Primary red, which is comparable to, say, like a quinacridone red. It's a PV19. Oh, I love this one. Turquoise blue. It's like a phthalo turquoise, I believe. Let's see. I'll open these here. This is a parchment. It's like a unbleached titanium. Purple gray. I thought this would be really neat to use. It's a PV23 red shade and a PR188 and a PW6. I got a couple of their grays, a couple more in here. This one's the green gray, PY42, PB29, and PW6. Prussian blue, my favorite blue. PB15, PV23, and PBK7. I'm not going to read all of the numbers here. Blue gray. I like that one a lot. And oh yeah, fluorescent pink. Or yes, fluorescent. Okay. Yeah, that's really pretty. And very bright. Okay. That would be it. This total in the United States here came to around, it was just over $100. Oh, with these. So I got a pretty good deal. I was looking at the golden, I was looking at maybe 4 to 5 tubes. So yeah. So that's it. Okay. Alrighty. We'll see you later. Take care. Bye.